Above the snowline of the Tibetan Plateau thrives a unique organism bearing characteristics of both plants and animals. How does Cordyceps sinensis, revered as Oriental gold, make its journey from meadows at 4,500 meters elevation to the global luxury market? Let us unveil the secrets behind its industrial cultivation. Global annual production of Cordyceps stabilizes at around 100 tons, with over 95% originating from China's Tibetan Plateau. Export volumes have grown at a compound annual rate of 7% in recent years, primarily serving East Asia, North America, and European Chinese communities. Amid rising health-conscious consumption, Western markets are showing increasing interest in Cordyceps's medicinal value. Authentic Cordyceps only grows in alpine meadows between 3,800 and 5,000 meters above sea level. Here, temperatures average below freezing year-round, with soils rich in humus and an annual rainfall of 400 millimeters concentrated in summer. Cultivation bases must lie near glacial meltwater, as water purity directly impacts mycelium vitality. Standardized plantations have been established in core production zones like Nagku, Tibet, and Yushu, Qinghai. Cultivation begins with laboratory strain development. First, natural Cordyceps fungi are isolated and purified, then inoculated onto specialized culture media in climate-controlled chambers simulating plateau conditions. When the mycelium matures, it undergoes sterile inoculation into artificially reared ghost moth larvae. These biological reactors are then transplanted to pre-treated cultivation plots. Native vegetation must be preserved during soil preparation, with a 5-year crop rotation system preventing soil degradation. To deter pests, ultraviolet traps and insect-repelling plants are deployed, and chemical agents are strictly prohibited. Transplanted larvae enter a subterranean growth phase. Daily monitoring of soil temperature and moisture is essential, with smart irrigation maintaining 60% soil humidity. After 8 to 10 months of mycelial colonization, the critical maturation phase begins with snowmelt. Technicians sample soil to inspect sclerotia development, precisely adjusting awning structures to regulate ground temperature, ensuring optimal emergence. The harvesting window lasts just 15 to 20 days. Experienced gatherers use specialized miniature spades to dig diagonally 10 centimeters from each plant, extracting the fungus-coated larvae intact. Mechanical harvesting would damage the mycelial network, so the entire process remains manual. Morning harvests must reach processing centers within 3 hours. Triple-layer preservation technology is employed for packaging. 48-hour natural air drying in temperature-controlled facilities. Immediate vacuum pre-cooling. Premium specimens sealed in nitrogen-filled aluminum pouches with integrated humidity sensors. Final storage in refrigerated transport containers. This controlled atmosphere packaging preserves freshness for 60 days at 0 to 4 degrees Celsius. In traditional Chinese medicine, Cordyceps is often simmered with duck or silky chicken, or encapsulated as supplements. Modern research focuses on Cordyceps's immune-modulating properties. Tibetan herders participate in cooperatives, quadrupling their income while crop rotation protects alpine meadow ecosystems. Internationally organically certified products now enter premium health markets in Europe and America, exemplifying sustainable agriculture. When holding that vial of amber extract, remember its journey from snowy peaks to modern laboratories. Each gram embodies 300 days of nature's craftsmanship and 70 meticulous procedures. It is this fusion of technology and tradition that carries the mountain's gift across continents. Subscribe to explore more agricultural marvels.